What's up, online shoppers? I was just gifted this awesome WORKPRO 3-in-1 snow remover tool. It's got a shovel, a snow brush, and an ice scraper all in one compact package. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. So here is the complete set of pieces that you get in the 3-in-1 package. Now what's cool is for each of the different tools, they've even given you a cinch bag to hold everything all together, so it's nice and compact in the trunk of your car. Here are the parts for the shovel, so let's put that together first. Now they have these really interesting little pressure toggle. So the blue end goes into the shovel, it's narrower, and all we're gonna do is just pinch this little toggle right here, and it snaps into place. Then we put in the black one. Again, it has this cool little toggle. You just push in to assemble, clip it into place, and here is your handle. Same thing. Pinch the toggle, wiggle it in, and clip it into place. So we have a really nice long emergency shovel here. It's all powder-coated stainless steel and aluminum, with a really nice, comfortable plastic D-ring handle. Now these are really nice for shoveling snow, this style of a handle, because you can really get your hand in here no matter how thick your gloves are in the winter months. The other cool thing about this is you can actually adjust the length to suit you. So if you need a shorter shovel, all you have to do is take out this middle section. Now we've got a shorter shovel. Now another thing I really like about this particular kit is that when I'm ready to disassemble this, they've given me a really nice little bag. So just as quickly as I have put it together, I can and store it for convenience, and so that we don't lose any of the pieces, all in this really great cinch bag. Isn't that cool? The remaining pieces of this kit, we have independent small little ice scraper that you can use manual, and you also have a nice little ice brush. So this also has the little depressed toggle, so you just slide that in and connect it. You can make it two different lengths. There's that length, or you can make it a little smaller if you choose, like that. And you can twist this so that you have your scraper exactly as you like it. Great for scraping the snow off your car and the ice off your windshield. As well, this gets its own little travel bag, and you have something to store all your pieces in really nice and conveniently in your car without making a big mess and without having to worry about any of the pieces getting misplaced or lost. WORKPRO puts together a really nice compact set for emergencies in the winter time, so you're never caught without an ice scraper, a snow brush, and a shovel that you can customize to the length that fits you best. This here is a gifted product, but I think it's definitely going to be a family favorite at my house.